guys, today we're going to be some touch-ups on my lawnmower wig. So it is right now about 1 o'clock. We are going camping. This video will not be up before we go camping. So, yep, good thing I bought the key. This thing, which this is what we're gonna wig up. We need to sand this down. So, I'm gonna get this out. So, let me show you how we get this out. So, you gotta pull this out. Pull this up. Put that back in there. Go to the other side. And just push back out. Like that. And then you just get these, get it. So I'm going to see you when I'm over by where we need to touch it up. Guys, we're here, and needless to say, we got to sand that down a lot. So I'm going to have to find some sandpaper, which I'm pretty sure, yep. Yeah, I was going to say pretty sure it's in there. So, you got to sand this, so pop this off. So, sand it. 3, 2, 1, kaboomy. Okay, so I got it. It doesn't cut my finger anymore. I'm going to have to cut it from here to like cut it a bit, then sand it. Something like that. But this is the same paper I used. Yeah. So, yeah. I totally forgot. I'm going to see you guys when I get it cut. When I get it cut. Hello, I am back. And this is what it looks like. My dad ground it with a grinder. And it works perfectly. Watch this. Sorry, I totally forgot. I was gonna put some flags on my thing, so then I ended it. Also, by the way, guys, we're not going camping in this. It sucks. We're going on in some tents, which I've never done before, and you should be. You're like probably like. You should be excited. No, I'm not, because tents, they wax and many other things. Campers, you're absolutely comfortable. So we're gonna put this on that stick, this stick right here. So 3, 2, 1, kaboomy. The reason why I call it a wig is it's a modified lawn tractor. Not saying the engine is different. It's a V12, not a V12, it's a twin power, 27 HP, DGT 6000 Craftsman, just that, and that, and also some other mods, but there we go. But also keep in mind, the mud buggy is a complete modification, complete build up from the ground, like essentially like almost building up from the ground. Like I said, it's absolutely torn apart, and it's not gonna have the original motor in it, not gonna have original anything. This seat is not the original seat. The original seat, I don't think we have it anymore. Maybe we do. If it is, it's over here. No, we don't, but it's a stock seat that sits and you can't move it up or down. So we swapped it out with this seat. So see, there's the stock mounts, and this is the seat. So the pedal's the same. This is not the same. The engine's not the same. Let me go show you the engine. This thing, this right here. This is the Potts Mobile. This is the engine I'm going to put in there. 16 horsepower, twin tube, hydrostatic. This is not hydrostatic. This is hydrostatic. That's where that seat came from. That's where a lot of this came from. This is going to be the exhaust. This will go right on there. It's going to be a double exhaust pipe. But the starter for this thing broke, so that's why we haven't put the engine in there yet. Marketplace a starter for that. I'll give you the number in a future video. Comment below. Put the link in. I'll go check it out. So essentially, yeah, I'll see you when we also, sorry, this is gonna be like a longer video, like 30 minutes, I guess. But see you then. Bye. Right here, like a mud flap. Now I just gotta test how comfortable it is. I can't feel it at all. Probably because I don't sit all the way back. Goodbye.